Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Pradeep. In this presentation, I'm going to show how to use the user activities related to logistics, specifically related to material management, how to create the purchase order, how to process the GR, okay, and what are the impact on the universal journal or AC-DOCA table, and when we are processing one vendor invoice, how it is impacted or how it is updated in the universal journal. So all these things I'm going to show you in the HANA platform. To perform the PO ME21N, then we will see the MIGO ME21N, and you will find this one under the logistic material management, then purchasing, purchase order, then create the PO. Same navigation is same. Select the vendor, purchase organization, purchase of group, account assignment I have not defined here, so that I can leave here. Next we can continue with material number 41, right? Select it. So how much, what is the quantity you want to purchase? Let's say 50. Delivery date, let's take current delivery date. Price, material group, ignore this message and post it. Now what the error is there? Delivery date is next working date. No error, just ignore. It's warning only, save it. Actually I'm using the standard calendar, factory calendar as standard, so that's why. So next delivery date possible tomorrow, just ignore. This is my PO. So with reference to this PO, we are going to process the GR. This transaction code also will work here. MIGO. And through navigation, you will find this one in the inventory management, logistic, material management, then inventory management. After that, goods movement. Goods movement here it is with reference to PO, that is 101 goods movement. Still processing. This is a new client, so taking time for processing. Okay, so movement type is your 101 with reference to purchase order. No need to change anything because it is correctly set, because with reference to PO only we are receiving the GR, your purchase order number, and execute. because goods can be received with reference to other production order. So moment type keep on, it will change. Now this material we are going to purchase material number 41, 50 units. Okay, this is my in plant and storage location. This is PO information and this is our vendor information. So if everything is okay, check item check, document is okay, and post it. So your material document generated with reference to this accounting document also generated. Now we will see in accounting document, you will find the material ledger, that means MLIT information will be there, your BSEG informations will be there, and everything will be generated in your universal journal or AC doc. Or the reference document, this particular document, it is not part of your the document number 5 all zeros 20. It is not part of actually your universal journal. This is part of your MATDOC table. In logistic also you have one table only, so it is part of that. Let's verify. I'm going to first go to the GL entry.
FBL3N.
FBL3N. Right, so your GR credited. Now let's see this entry. Accounting entry same, stock to GRIR. Now let's see the other documents. So material ledger, like you're controlling, there is no separate material ledger document generated. It is also merged with your accounting document, and this is your 50,000 is your accounting document. Now if you'll see here, this is your accounting document. Now go to universal journal. Okay, so this is the document, accounting document generated, and first see with reference to which document, with reference to this document, and where you will find this document. This is your logistic document. So this one you will find in MATDOC. Okay, I need the plant, it's not selected. This is your logistic table or MATDOC. So here all the old logistic tables are not available. This is only one table will be available. And here you can see in the record type MATDOC or material document. So you can see here the material number updated. Okay, material number stock updated. Plant information is GSK, and what is the stock quantity here? This is your amount in local currency. So 4,000 is your 80 into 50. 50 units into 80 per unit, 4,000 is updated. So this 4,000 is nothing but what is there in your accounting. This is your 4,000. So logistic table is also updated with your finance informations. And other informations, these are the logistic information. This is only accounting informations. Okay, and this is updated. Now we will verify this information in the universal journal also. So with reference to this particular document, this material document, check the universal journal. This is your AC docker, and check here.
So in S4HANA, we have to have accurate material ledger.
It's mandatory. You need to activate material ledger.
Whether they want to use it or they don't want to use it, you have to activate the material ledger.
Not getting anything. You check your mic settings. It's completely some voice in a different. I'm getting.
Can you hear me now?
I can hear you, but the clarity is not there.
He's talking like an alien. I can hear him, honestly. Is he using a phone or I'm not sure he's using a laptop? It sounds like much like a phone because it sounds like when an alien is talking.
Type it, Prasad, please. I think some issue with your mic setting. Check that.
Alien, where did you see Alien this morning?
Material ledger activation. Yes, material ledger activation is mandatory in S4. Without that, we can't create the material master. Material ledger is mandatory. Okay. Okay, so this is your MATDoc. Sorry, this is your SC docker. Here you can see all the informations are updated. Okay, all the informations like your MKPF information is there. That is material ledger information is there, and other accounting informations are also updated. So this is your currency informations, and this document generated with reference to your MATDoc table. That means now we linked, or with this activity we can say your SC docker linked with your MATDoc. So this is like in now your GRIR information, I mean accounting information, material ledger informations, and your MATDoc information. So everything is now it is there in your universal journal. Next, you can continue with invoice processing. That is no difference. You can continue Miro. Let me process it. So yesterday we have processed the invoice directly in FI. This is with reference to purchase order we are processing. In this segment, no change. Only thing, this invoice will be part of your universal journal. $4,200. This tax I did the configuration, so 5% on 4,000, so that is 200. So tax amount updated 200, 4,200. I think no, it is there. I think the tax I have assigned, the ledger I have assigned. So 4,200, and yeah, now it's correct. Baseline date, if you want, you can mention. Process it. So no update in the BSIK. This one also, the open item will be there in the document number generated, and this is also part of your universal journal. So accounts payable updated, tax updated, and accounts payable updated with 4,200. GRIR, now it is 0, but as month-end activities are not completed, this balance still is in the open mode. So for clear those items, then you have to do the month-end activities. That is again your automatic clearing of accounts. So once you will process and configure, then that will be cleared. So right now it is there in the open mode. Balance is 0, but it is there in the open mode. Once you will configure the month-end auto clearing account, so then after that, once you will execute, then automatically it will be cleared. For this, separate configurations are required. What is the link of other one? I just, okay, 1 second. I need to log into the other one, 2017. You remember that IP, the old one what I gave you, which I stopped accessing? What is the IP address? Where it is? Let me try this one. 183.82.112.39. Yeah, correct. Because once if you'll not clear this one unnecessary, your open item will be there. So it's clear month end and year end activity. So you have to configure that and you need to run it. Once you will run it, okay, you can see there is no open items. So all items we have converted into cleared items, and this one we did not manually, we did it automatic, because different type of accounts where you have the zero balance, once you will run it, then automatically it will be converted to cleared items. So in our company code right now, that configuration is pending. So that's why, although we have the zero balance, but still it's showing in the open mode. So if you run an open item report, the system will pull that information. So right now, if you'll see what are the changes from payable point of view with GR. So when you are doing the GR, so that is update in the material ledger, and all these informations are there in the part of universal journal. Okay, now we have open item is there, which is also there in the universal journal. Once you will make it, it will convert into cleared item. FBL 1N, vendor line item. 4,200 document number, 51,000 and 51,000 also part of your universal journal. $51,000, right? So it is also part of your universal journal. Now if I will make the payment, How much? 4,200. So payment document generated 15,000. So this 15,000 is cleared item. In ECC it was updated, or you will find this one in BSAK. So now BSIK open item, BSAK cleared items, both tables converted into view tables, CDS view table, and now these are the part of your universal channel. See here, so you will find that also. 15,000 is also now. So we have verified in receivable, we have verified in the payable also. 15,000.